happening, mi gente? Louie the Boiler Man. Hvac. Guys, we're getting ready and getting started to work on this beautiful Cyclotherm Boiler. Guys, from 1981, and I'm just can't wait to get started and show you guys what is the process to overhaul and refurbish this boiler. But guys, just before we get to that, don't forget, remember, you can always call Louie the Boiler Man 516-377-5200 if you have any heating needs, regardless of residential or commercial. But most important, guys, hit our YouTube channel, subscribe, leave a comment below, hit that bell button, and we'll love to hear from you. Let's get started. Hvac! Hey, guys, we're about to get started, baby. That's right. What you're looking at right here is a Cyclotherm Boiler from 1981, guys. It's about 42 years old. I'm 43, so it's an 80s baby. That's right, guys. So they called us because they've been having issues with the boiler. It's leaking CO. The front wall is deteriorating, needs to be replaced, and it's never been overhauled or refurbished the way it's supposed to be, especially from the factory. So, guys, if it was up to me, I would have done this a long time ago. But my hunch is, I don't think they've ever done anything like this since they installed it since 1981. So, guys, we're actually taking out the whole burner assembly to change the gaskets, the seals, the front wall. Right now, I don't want to take out the front wall just yet because we have to call the manufacturer. They're still in business, believe it or not, and make sure we can still actually get the actual, what we call this, the oven or the front wall. So we also want to clean out inside the chamber. If you can see, hasn't never been cleaned. We have to clean this up, clean all the studs out, remove all the gasket, and get it prepped up. And then the actual burner assembly, we're going to do it in the shop. So in the shop, we're going to take everything apart, reassemble everything, make sure it's nice and clean out the motor, clean out the lubricants from the motor. I mean, the whole 9 yards, guys. I want to show you. This is the before right here. You guys can see right there. That's how it's supposed to look like. And this is what it looks like when it's all disassembled. So, guys, stay tuned because I'm going to show you what it is to this over. There's only one guy here that can do this, and it's Louie the Boiler Man, because they tried calling other people, and there's nobody out there to do the job. And, of course, this is an old man's job. It's old school. But, hey, somebody got to do the job. The good thing is they're in great hands. So, guys, stay tuned. Hvac!